everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaya, if you don't already know, and today I created this look here for you guys. It is a kind of natural glam look, and the reason why I say natural glam is because I did kind of go glam on the eyes, but I do have a natural face on. Obviously, I do have makeup on my face, but it's just looking kind of natural. It doesn't look as heavy as I normally would do my makeup, and that is exactly what I was going for. So I created this video for those of you who are struggling on how to do your senior pictures makeup. I've seen a lot of people trying to practice and stuff like that, looking up on YouTube videos, so I thought I'd just create this for you guys to just give you some tips and tricks and how to help you out on how I would do my senior pictures makeup, because I think I actually might do this for my pictures because my pictures are coming up soon. I am going into my senior year, if you didn't know. And yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before we go into the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So since I did tan, my concealer is probably going to be super white for me, which I didn't think about at all. But let's go ahead and jump right in. So first things first, we want to use a transition shade, because even though I want to go for like a little bit more of a natural look, I still want to look glam. So I'm going to start off with my Sephora Pro Featherweight Crease Brush number 38. And I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, Warm Brown Obsessions palette. And I'm just going to take this white shade right here, and I'm just going to set my eyelids. This is the only shade that I will be using from this palette. So now for this look, I will be using the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette. I've been like dying to use this palette, and now I'm finally going to use it. So I think I'm going to start off, I'm going to use the same brush that I set my eyelids with, and I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here. It's called Truth Hurts, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that and blend it into my crease. I've never used a Colourpop palette before, but boy, I barely have anything on my brush, and like there's already so much on my eyelids, and I'm barely touching my eyelid. It's crazy pigmented. So I'm just using this as a transition shade. So I'm just blending this slightly into my crease, making sure everything looks seamless. I don't want anything to look too harsh when I'm doing this look, because again, I do want it to be a glam look, but I also want it to look natural, if that makes sense. You guys, my cousin left yesterday, and now I'm like so bored and lonely. I want her to come back. So now I'm going to take this shade right here, and it is called BS. I'm going to take that on the same brush. But I'm just going to bring it lower into my crease. So now I'm just going to darken up the outer part of my lid. So I'm going to take the shade right here, and it is called Frank. So I'm just taking some of this onto an eye definition brush, and I'm going to blend that into the outer V of my eye. So now that I have that shade into my outer V, I'm going to take my Sephora flat shader brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Straight Up. I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid. I am going to spray my brush just a little bit with my Badescu spray. So now that I have that shade on my lid, I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here, and it's called Up Front. And I'm going to apply this towards the outer part of my eye. Just a little bit, not too much. Just like that. Now that I'm done applying shadow, I'm going to line my lash line with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. So now that I lined my lash line, I'm going to be applying falsies, and the falsies that I'm going to apply are the House of Lashes, and they are in the style Boudoir Lite. And the reason I am using these is because they are very natural looking, and that's what I want. So now that I have applied lashes, I'm gonna blend them with my natural lashes, and I'm gonna be using the NYC Showtime mascara, and I'm just going to blend my real lashes with the fake lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the face, and we will come back to the eyes later on. I'm going to apply primer because I don't want my makeup to move. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. And I'm just going to put this where I feel like I have a lot of pores, which is just in my nose area and my forehead. So now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y375. So now that I have applied a thin layer of foundation, I'm going to conceal my under eyes only a little bit right here. And I'm using the Maybelline concealer in the shade 20, Sand Sable. And I am going to cover this little spot right here. A little bit of redness. So now that that is done, I am going to bronze up my face. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Medium Deep. I'm just going to take that on a angled Sephora brush. Just going to really bronze up my skin. You know, it's summer. I want to look like I've been in the sun the whole time. Like I have that Florida bronzed look. We want to look snatched. We want to look bronzed. I do use bronzer to contour. I feel like contours for me, so I don't really need to contour, but yeah. So now that I look like I've been laying in the sun for a few days, that was our goal completed. I am going to apply blush, and when my cousin was here, I was using the Tarte blush Amazonian Clay. the Tarte Amazonian Clay Bush in the blush in the shade Feisty. And I do have Tarte blush, and this one is in the shade Concept. It does have glitter reflex in it, but I'm gonna just apply a little bit of that and see how it looks. I want to look like I have flushed cheeks. Now I'm going to jump into my lower lash line, and I kind of want my lower lash line to be a little bit darker than the rest of this look. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here, which is the same shade that I used for my outer V, and it is the shade Frank. Okay guys, so now for inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is up front, and I'm just gonna take some of that onto my pinky, and I'm just gonna dab that into my inner corner. Wow, that's really pigmented. So now I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Always forget to do this, because I don't know, I feel like when I do this, like, there's no difference for me. The highlight that I will be using today is from my Sephora Snow Glow palette, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. We love to glow, you know? We love to glow, you know? Glowing good, good, glowing good, good, good. Last but not least, I'm going to take my Badescu spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my whole face. Now for my lips, I almost forgot about my lips. I don't want anything too heavy for my lips, so I'm just going to be applying a gloss, and this is the Victoria's Secret Lip Silk Sheer Gloss. So this is our finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope this was helpful for you guys if you guys are wondering how to do your senior pictures. You can go full out, of course. You can also go natural glam. I feel like this was kind of in the middle of both. You can use a little bit more of neutral tones and kind of mix it up into your own cup of tea, but this is my cup of tea right here. I might just do this for my pictures, which I think I might, because it is, you know, like glam and natural, and I like being glam. Like, that's just me. I'm a glam girl. Glam squad up in her. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.